Hi, I'm Trevor Bentley with the Hubertcompany, and we know that you all are facing a labor shortage in your industry across the United States.
Some of the things that we're hearing is, we've got fewer employees, so our employees are burned out. Customers have to wait in line longer, and that makes them unhappy, dissatisfied. It's harder to clean up with fewer employees.
And that's why experts on my team and throughout our staff got together and created this labor shortage kit.
This kit was designed to decrease the amount of manual tasks and automate, so your employees can do more with less. They can get more done, they can create more food, they can create more menu options that are going to make your customers happy, lead to customer retention, increase customer satisfaction, and that leads to more revenue.
Sure. So I have a specific customer that I helped design this kit for, and we do know that it's definitely helping out with those labor shortage areas. We've gotten orders to go across the organization for the remaining of all the stores, and so we do know that this is working very well.